mooring.
Just went down right over here.
Get following the ship. Richard Dalton on the ship.
Yeah.
Is that why that boat's there? There are a boat full of people watching it?
Yeah, that's a fishing charter.
Yeah, that's a charter.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, they don't go very
Who
far.
the fuck charters a boat to fish 100 yards?
That's as far as that
They
usually
run
goes,
out
too.
of an Old Point Company.
Yeah.
That fishing charters run out of the marina where the post was. So they basically come right out here, they fish right there, and they go right back in.
It must be super cheap.
It's like 35, 40 bucks.
They spent nothing on
Not
that.
bad. That's like, hey, I don't want to fish off the pier tonight, you know?